A tax holiday is a temporary period where a government eliminates sales tax on specific items. Let's look at how they work. At its core, a tax holiday is an exemption. During these specific dates, you do not pay state or local sales tax at checkout. While individual savings on one item might seem small, they can add up if you are buying big-ticket items like computers or furniture. States usually target specific categories. The most common are back-to-school supplies, energy-efficient home goods, and emergency preparation kits. A tax holiday is distinct from a store sale because it is set by the government and applies to all participating retailers automatically. When planning your budget, check your State Department of Revenue website to see if a holiday applies to your upcoming planned purchases. Remember that saving tax is only a benefit if you were planning to buy the item anyway, so avoid overspending just for the deal. Check your state's official tax website for specific dates and rules. Thanks for watching, and subscribe for more finance basics.